So what you're looking at now is the LED display. The LEDs are actually attached to the propeller blades, and as you can see they're rotating around and give you that circular effect, which is quite colourful, particularly looking at it, but unfortunately through the camera it doesn't look quite as effective. But anyway, that gives a person a rough idea as to how it looks. I'll just step it up a bit higher. And I'm stepping it back to the RPM. And almost back to idle again. So yeah, that's about it.